Hi from Michio at Torque Trends Incorporated with a short video about the necessity for a cooler. You've purchased your TorqueBox. Now the question is, do I need a cooler or do I not need a cooler? And typically vehicles that are under 6,000 pounds do not. But the test of whether or not you need to add a cooler is in this temperature sticker. Now, there's actually two temperature stickers on your unit. One, usually in this location, will actually, a couple of the dots will be lit. And when I say lit, instead of white, they'll be black. This particular temperature sticker is very accurate, but it only records the highest temperature reached. So drive your vehicle in your worst case scenario, pulling a load, heavily loaded, or maybe it's a performance car, hard acceleration, that type of thing, and then check your temperature sticker. If it's within, say, 200, this temperature sticker starts at 190 degrees F, so it'll take a while to warm up to that. But if it is 225 or more, then that's an indication you need to add a cooler, which will increase your fluid capacity, and with either fans or good airflow to that cooler, it's going to keep that temperature down within the range of this sticker. So definitely if you're 220, 225 beyond that, then you definitely want to add a cooler. Doesn't have to be a large cooler. Should be one appropriate for automatic transmission fluid. And it's that simple. Just look at the sticker. If you've got a heavy vehicle, then it's pretty much automatic. If you've got a 10,000 or higher vehicle, or maybe something that's very high performance and it's going to be used in extreme conditions, extreme acceleration, consistently, drag racing, that type of thing, then it's probably a good idea to just go ahead and plumb. And our drain plug on the bottom of the unit and the fill plug here on the tail housing are an AN number 6 thread, an O-ring type fitting. So it's real easy. Those fittings are available. You can plumb it to that cooler and keep that temperature down. That's it. Bye for now.